Yo, so today we're exploring in Belfast and we found this retreat that was used for priests. Quite an interesting one actually. But yeah, it sort of would have just been like a getaway for priests, so very religious. Let's see what's been left. So through this door, they actually had their own private chapel. Yo, look at this. Now look at the ceiling, look. Wow. Yo, this is cool. The detail in this place as well is proper insane. And like it's been last occupied in what, 2016 or something? So it's, yeah, that's like the max. It was last used, it could have been longer. But yeah, look at the roof. Private chapel, this place is insane, isn't it? Like, we did not expect to find this in Belfast. I don't know how we didn't know about it sooner, but yeah, it's proper insane. So here's another one of the priests' rooms. Everything here's religious as well. Like every corner you look in, there's just all religious stuff. Got rosary beads here. The bed's still made. So we've came down a floor. Oh, this one looks a lot more new, doesn't it? Is this open? No, it's locked. Oh yeah, look. Another bedroom. So in 2016 there was a missing priest. That's mad. What's in there, Jack?
I don't know.
This. Just locked. There it is. Look at this. So I'm not sure what this room would have been, but look at the floor in it. We're on the ground floor now. It's sort of like a meeting room, this one. So now we're on the ground floor. Yo, that rocking chair there was crazy. But the lift is old, isn't it? Proper old, look at that. What's in here now? Yo. Was it? Look at this. How scary this rocking chair is just sitting here. So this would have been the reception of the retreat, look.